behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely thank the chairman and his team for the Council of Education that have come here today to have a final inspection of the Dr. Naboga Douglas campus of Nigerian Law School in Port Harcourt. I will try to use this opportunity to also present the certificate of occupancy of the properties. We try to give them to the parts of the Nigerian Law School for the purposes of making some revenue to run this campus. And therefore, on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely present this to the chairman. And after this, we'll still take tour of most of the facilities, and then they'll be able to tell us when they are ready for us to formally hand over this property to the Council of Education for the Nigerian Law School. Thank you, and God bless you. Mr. Chairman, this is the certificate of occupancy. When you go out, you see all the adjoining properties have been acquired and paid for by the River State government for the Nigerian Law School Naboga Douglas campus to use. And whatever revenue that you get from there is only to be utilized for this campus alone. For this campus alone. I know that very soon the Attorney General and the DG will meet to prepare a memorandum of understanding so that you will take the revenue from here to subsidize for other campuses. No. Any money you make here, put it here. We want our own to be the best. If anybody wants their own to be the best, the parents should also invest. So thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you very much.
An inspection visit that we came for is not the opening ceremony, it's not the handover ceremony. It's a short visit to inspect the facilities. If I tell you that we are not short of words to describe what we have seen here, then we are lying. We are short of words. Because what we have seen here is amazing. Is it the seventh wonder of the world? Because July 17th was when we came here to lay the foundation laying ceremony. And His Excellency promised that this project will be delivered in less than a year. And behold, today is June 27, not up to July, and he has delivered. I will leave my speech for that day, but what I want to tell His Excellency is that on behalf of the Council, we are very grateful for a promise made and a promise kept. We shall convey the report of our visit or inspection to the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation and to Mr. President of what we have seen. This is a turning point in the history of legal education in Nigeria. So I want to assure you that we will leave the big speech on that day, but we thank you and thank you and thank you for what you have done for us.
Former Attorney General, former presidents of the Nigerian Bar Association, former Chairman, Council of Education, Honorable Attorney General, River State, my esteemed colleagues from the Nigerian Law School, and our other dignitaries here present. Good morning to you all. Like the Chairman said, today is not a speech-making day. But like I said, this is the 7th month of the war. We were shocked. But like he said, this is not a day to make speech. We will do that at the appropriate time. On behalf of the Council of Legal Education and Management of Nigerian Law School, we want to thank you so much, Your Excellency. Like my chairman said, this is a turning point in legal education. We are running 6 campuses. We know the facilities that are existing. We've been to other universities all over the world, and this, I can assure you, can stand anywhere in the world. This is the facility I've said on behalf of Council and Management, we want to thank you so much. I will look forward to the commissioning of this campus, but I want to assure you, this is the mother of all campuses. Thank you very much.